Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, how long do houseflies live? Many people think that flies live for about 24 hours and then they die. But is that really true? If you consider that a female housefly can lay up to 150 eggs over a 4-day period, that single fly could potentially create a full-blown infestation. If you are waiting for your fly problem to die out, then think again, as you'll need to utilize pest control measures and professional-grade insecticides to treat your fly infestation as soon as possible. First, clean up around your living area and make sure that flies have zero access to decaying foods or standing water. Next, apply an insecticide like Pyrid directly to any flies you've seen for a fast knockdown that will kill quickly. Finally, set up a musky stick or Solutions fly light to monitor fly activity in the future. Both of these products will attract flies and flying insects to a sticky trap, making for a clean elimination that you can set and forget. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Okay, if you're waiting for your problem to die out, you're out of luck, Jack. These things ain't going nowhere, buddy. If you were planning on waiting for your fly problem to die out, you're dead wrong, man.